Everyone, today I will show you how to add a payment card on your Target app. So to do this, just follow and watch this video till the end. So go directly open your Target app like this, and right now you're gonna find this list or this page. So click here on my profile and click here on the settings and click on payment card. Click on it like this and click here add payment card like this, and you choose if you want to add a credit or debit card or this or other gift card. Click continue and it will take you to this page. You have to add your card information and click save, and that's all guys. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. Also, if you have any question, just type it down in comments. See you in another tutorial.